Mistplay usually locks your payment method when there's a pending cash out, an unverified payout account, or a mismatch between your current login and your original profile. That's why the change option often disappears or won't save. By the end of this, you'll know how to unlock the payment method setting, fix payout restrictions, and successfully update your Mistplay cash out details. First thing to check is whether you have a pending reward. Mistplay blocks payment method changes while a reward is processing. If you recently requested a payout, the system can temporarily freeze changes until it finishes. You need to wait for the payout to complete before trying again. Second is account verification. If your payout method isn't fully verified, Mistplay can restrict changes to prevent fraud. Open your profile or rewards section and look for any verification prompts. If something is incomplete, finish it first, then restart the app before trying to update payment details again. Third is login consistency. If you're logged into a different account than the one you used when setting up payments, the app may hide or disable the payment method option completely. Log out and log back in using your original sign-in method, then check again. This alone fixes a large number of can't change payment method issues. Fourth is app cache or outdated data. Sometimes the payment screen doesn't refresh correctly after updates. Go into your phone settings, find Mistplay, and clear the cache. Then reopen the app so it reloads the payment settings from scratch. If you're using PayPal and trying to switch accounts, Mistplay may also block changes if the new email doesn't match a valid PayPal profile. Make sure the email is active and able to receive payments before saving it inside the app. If nothing changes, the final step is to contact support through the in-app help section. Payment restrictions can sometimes be tied to account flags that only support can reset. The in-app support route is more reliable than email because it attaches your account details automatically. To summarize, Mistplay blocks payment method changes mainly due to pending payouts, incomplete verification, or account mismatches. Fixing those three areas usually restores the ability to update your payment details. One practical step. Check your rewards section right now for any pending cash out, and wait for it to complete before trying to change your payment method again. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes that actually solve the problem without guesswork.